Hello guys, my name is Roman, and in this video I will show you how to easily create 3D printable BattleTech terrain with Blender. This is a beginner's video, so I will explain every action I make. Let's start with general file. Remove this collection, we don't need it. Add a cylinder, and here we have an options for our cylinder. Let's go with 6 vertices. So we have a perfect hex. Radius would be 19 millimeters. I will zoom out. And don't worry that it says meters. Our slicing program will automatically convert it. The depth would be 45 millimeters. And now we need to move bottom of this hex up to 0. To do so, press Tab to enter the edit mode, select Faces Editing. Select the face, and here enter 0. Exit edit mode, pressing Tab again, and we have our first hex. Let's duplicate it, move it around, and now we need to snap these hexes together to print them. To do so, enter the edit mode for this active object, pressing Tab. Select Vertices Editing, select this vertex, and then snap the 3D cursor to this vertex. Exit Edit Mode and set the object origin to this cursor or to this vertex. Now we can snap this object by this origin to another vertices. To do so, enable Snap mode, select here Vertex, and be sure to click Center. Let's check it out. Press G to move this hex and move your cursor to the vertex. Here we go. Let's duplicate our hex again and magic here. And another one. And now I want to snap this hex to this vertex. To do so, I need to rotate my object by 180 degrees on Z axis and move it with G. And again, perfect snapping. Now we can play with the hex's height. Select the hex you want to change, and here you can input the exact height of the hex, or you can use these multipliers to set the level of hex you want. Let's go with 3. So we have now the hex with the level 3 height. Let's go with 2 here. And as you can see, the height of the object is calculated automatically. And let's go with 2 here. Okay? Now we have our terrain piece. Let's select all objects and apply our transformations. And we can export this terrain and print it already. Let's go export, STL. Let's name it terrain and export. Let's check it out. Okay, no problems here. I will save this project. And now we can slice our model and print it out. Okay, let's go with Cura. Here we go. We'll add our model here. Okay, and let's slice it. So preview, and now you can see that our infill pattern is slightly out of angle here. So I would recommend you on the prepare stage to rotate your model up to 15 degrees. Slice. Let's see. And here you see that the lines now are perfectly 90 degrees to these walls. So let's go printing. So this is printed terrain piece. As you can see, a perfect match to the map hex grid, also a perfect height. Mech is approximately 2 layers high. I messed a top layer a little bit. I went only with 2 layers. It's a thin top shell, but still it is very solid and could be used in my games. Happy printing, guys! And that's all for today, guys. Thank you for watching this video. This is my very first video. I hope you enjoyed it. All the files would be available on my Patreon, so check the links in the description below. And special thanks to Artisans of Wool, who have a perfect Blender tutorials for the hobbyist. I learned Blender myself watching these tutorials. You will also find the link to his channel in the description. See you again. Bye.